Hello everyone. Good morning all. Uh, Welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel name is SAP ABAP by AV Krishna. Okay, this is the channel. So myself name is AV Krishna. So I have started my own channel. The intention is to I have lot of knowledge and experience in SAP ABAP technical areas. So I just want to contribute my knowledge, okay, and to build SAP consultants also, by sharing my expertise, knowledge, and all. So this is the first session. In this way, I'm going to cover almost 400 sessions I have planned. Each session will be 1 hour. So almost 400 sessions equals to 400 hours content I am going to cover in this, and I will conduct the sessions daily, and daily I am keep on uploading 1 or 2 sessions in the form of videos into my YouTube channel. So you can listen, attend, go through it, and if you have questions also, okay, you can reach out to me. So in today's session, that is session 1, I am going to cover 2 objectives. First, the session 1 says, okay, trainer's profile. That means my profile, my details, because it is most important for everyone that you are learning, you are undergoing this course under whom, what exactly the trainer's profile. It is better to have in and out knowledge of this trainer's profile one time at least, so that you will get a confidence first. Okay, second, I am going to cover the course objective also. That means what is the purpose of this course, why I have started this course, and who are eligible to attend this course. So all those stuff, and how I am going to handle the sessions and all these details I will cover in this particular 1 hour session. Okay, so let us start from this profile. Okay, so first of all, yeah, as name already mentioned, and if you want to contact me, yes, you can make a note of my number. Okay, yes, WhatsApp number also the same. Yes, this is +91, that is country code India, and again 970-488-6510. Yes, so the my base location remains Hyderabad, India. Okay, this is my base location. Right. Next, suppose actually I'm a working consultant in a level 5 company. So that's why you can reach out to me mostly by WhatsApp. You leave your message, I'll ping you, I'll call you at my free time. Still, you want to discuss directly, you want to talk to me, you can call me on weekend, Saturday, Sunday. I'll be available to take the calls directly from any location, any country. You can ping me. So you can look at IST timings, daytime. You can call me and you can reach out to me. You can discuss the any kind of SAP concerns, discussions, career options. So many doubts, so confusions. If you want kind of guidance, definitely I'm going to help you out, because I already helped so many things, so many consultants also. Right. Then coming to, if you want to reach out to me through mail, you can mail all of your questions in a structured way. So my mail ID, you can make a note of it. My name is AV Krishna, saptechnical.com. Okay, this is the mail ID. Okay, and the next one is, if you want to go to if you want to reach out to me by uh, like uh, mm, directly, one second, I will take you to that another notepad where we have description here. One second. Okay. Yes. So I have prepared this one. Okay. Because I want to give, like you want to interact with me uh, to clarify your doubts. Yes, you can join my sessions using this particular Google Meet link. Okay, this is the Google Meet link. Daily at around 8 to 9 morning timings, Indian Standard Time IST. You can join. Okay, mostly yes, using this link I'll be available there, and you can ask directly, can interact with me and clarify your SAP concern, technology concerns and all. Okay, future dimensions point of view and all. So the reason of this one is because if I assign any kind of assignments, exercises, if you stuck at anywhere, so I want to monitor your screen and I want to resolve your system issues or SAP practicals, hands-on issues. So that's the reason I I'm running this 1 hour session for all. So in this session, this interest of the session is to clarify the doubts. Suppose I have conducted the session and keep on uploading the videos into YouTube. So you can listen the sessions and note down the things and all in the YouTube. And you can have a list of questions. You can join in this particular Google Meet session and clarify your doubts one on one also, or okay, expected members who are, I will take one after another call. You can unmute and ask your questions and I will answer immediately. If something is not clear for you, or if any kind of exercise issue or practical you have stuck with some syntax errors or program errors, any kind of runtime errors, we will solve. So because the purpose of this again, this particular 1 hour is because to keep connect with the trainer, because you will get a feeling as you are always with me, I am with you, you are with me. This is the intention. So I am spending, because almost afternoon onwards my work starts. That's why hardly I can spend at the morning level IST point of view. That's why I have given the time as a morning 8 to 9 for you. Okay, this is one more important thing I want to next. Okay, we will get into the that my in detail profile. Okay, yes, my introduction. Yes, so like I have total 20 years of experience. Okay, so prior to experience, I will start from my qualification onwards, because it is good to have, okay, all of my qualification details. So my qualification is I have started yes, after my degree, then I did HD SE, Higher Diploma in Software Engineering. This is a diploma course from AppTech. Okay, yes, it was in 96 to 98, 99. Okay, 99 to till 2002, I have completed Master of Computer Applications in Hyderabad. Okay, then after that I have completed MTech also. MTech from JNTU with CS background. So this is about my, so all my technical qualification, core qualifications. Okay, then coming to the my certifications, because certifications, like I have completed SAP ABAP, okay, NetWeaver 7.0 7.0 certification in the year of 2012. Okay, here I have completed this one. Next, now in the year of 2025, I am going to appear by this November 15th. I am going to give exam on SAP ABAP on HANA. Okay, ABAP on HANA certification exam I am going to give. So this is, I'll get certified on this also. So this is what is certification done, I'll cover in my upcoming sessions also, so that it will be helpful to you, right? Next, then we will get into the experience point of view. So experience, I have, as I mentioned, overall, okay, overall 20 plus years of experience, okay, in SAP, soft SAP experience. But this particular experience I'm going to classify as, first half I started as a training, so now currently I am into consulting. So I have two types of, yes, this one. So the training is around 11 years of training experience, and consulting is 9 plus years. Yes, 9 plus I would say. Yes, right. Started from 2004 to 2015. Almost I was into the training part, and from 2016 to till date I am into consulting. So that means I started career as a, yes, this was the first, we'll talk on training, later I'll come to the uh, consulting experience, all the stuff I am going to discuss, because this is 1 hour session. This entire session I am going to cover all my details, complete details, one time only, okay? So it is good to have, I feel like it is better to know the complete information of the trainer, so that you will get a complete. So started my career as a normally SAP ABAP faculty, okay? Yes, faculty is right. Later on, moved towards as a corporate trainer. I got opportunities as a corporate trainer. Then again, it is added to the freelance freelance consulting and freelance trainings. I was working on that. So I worked as a freelance trainer, freelance corporate trainer. Then I have handled as a academic batches, certification batches also. So I can call it as academic trainer also. Yes, that is the other. Then finally, I have handled many trainings. Then again, I was a at once upon a time, finally I was a pan India trainer. Okay, yes. Then after, finally I worked as a official trainer, SAP India official trainer. Just these many things, because I have, yes, official trainer, because these are all my, started as a simplified way, but finally I reached up to this level, because in 2015 I got feedback from ATOS and as well as SAP India that by that time, till 2015, I was a best trainer uh, in the India point of view, in complete India, ABAP point of view, India, within India, I was the best trainer. Yes. In ATAS wise, I got feedback, and SAP India through, I got the feedback also. Right. So, first, let us again, classification will go get into in detail. Suppose, since I am from Hyderabad, India, so some started as a normally local institutions also. That means lot of SAP institutions. Okay, I have taught many sessions. So that means this is a kind of classroom trainings. Okay, normally. Yes, many batches I handled it. Yes. Suppose, because to conclude, almost, because yes, it is around 150 above sessions, above trainings I handled it, and which covers around 1800 above students, because not exact figure I cannot say. Yes, this is the tentative rough figures, which covers the domestic, global, international students, everything. So this was the normal classroom trainings. That is a kind of initial experience. Later on, moved to online trainings. So online trainings, I used to take students from US, UK, Australia, different countries, to even within India also. So this is another type of vertical. Okay, online trainings also. I handled many. Yes. Then after, yes, coming to the corporate batches. So corporate trainings, yes, that means companies recruiting freshers from college, and for them, okay, yes, this is, I'm naming it as a profile. Yes, right. So under corporate trainings, I got as a opportunity in Infosys. There one batch, two batches ABAP and one HR ABAP. ABAP HR batch I handled in Hyderabad in 2006 and 7 at that. The freshers, those who are recruited in a campus, for them I have given the trainings. Yes, to students from different engineering colleges, I taught that. Then later, I got opportunity from Accenture. So from Accenture, different locations, I handled around 12 above batches, because all of my, in this 150 also, many batches in the corporate only. So I have good experience in corporate level rather than normal local institutes and all. Then after, I got opportunity in Wipro Technologies, Wipro all locations. Okay, Pune, Bangalore, Electronic City, and Hyderabad, and all locations. Maximum I handled Wipro Technologies batches also. Yes, there are two types: freshers batches and even lateral batches also. I handled it. Then after Wipro, I got a opportunity in IBM Manata Tech Park, Bangalore. Okay, there I handled two freshers batch. This is a kind of corporate batch. Then also I have conducted trainings in internship batches. Around 8 above batches I have completed internship, SAP ABAP internship batches. Yes, this is company name is iService Globe. Yes, this company is located in USA and in Hyderabad also. This company exclusively handles SAP CRM based projects. Okay, which is a SAP service partner, channel partner also. Yes, private limited. Yes, this is one of the. Next, I got opportunity to train. Okay, like SAP Labs, SAP Labs employees, okay, on particular topic called as enhancements. Okay, for 10 days I have given training for SAP Labs employees also, particular specific topic, specific participants. Okay, I handled it. This is another type of exposure, I would say, right? Then even I handled SAP like ERP sessions, like on topic ERP, okay, sessions conducted in business school. So Synergy Business School, B school we can call it as, okay. Yes, for 2 years. This gave me a different kind of exposure. Yes, for the MBA graduates, right? Then, so this is a kind of corporate trainings, and as well as, yes, then I am moving to next level, that is nothing but academic batches. So academic batches are nothing but certification batches. These are all called as certification, because in ATC means authorized training centers. So in those days, it was a very popular, most authorized center is was Siemens. Okay, Siemens. So I took many sessions in Siemens. Next, Siemens to ATOS, Atos, France-based company. Atos origin, earlier it was Atos. So Atos also SAP education partner, handled almost all branches of Atos in Pan India. Then there was a Genovate. This was another company, Singapore-based company. They are also SAP partnered. So almost handled above, uh, I would say 30 above academic batches I have handled it here. Yes, many batches, because this gave me a very good experience for me. Then, okay, where my participants used to attend, this is called as mostly academic ILT batches. ILT stands for instructor led trainings. Yes, this was the yes. Next, the next trainings was this one, like client based trainings. Okay, yes, client based trainings also I got opportunity to. Yes, so client means I just went to ECIL, Electronic Corporation of India Limited. For ECIL employees, IT department employees, I gave the SAP certification standard training. Then after that, I got another opportunity from TS, Telangana State, Transco, and Genco. Okay, Transco and Genco, yes, generation company, transmission company. So handled batches over there at the directly at the client place, right? Second, next, because SAP entered into the engineering colleges also, they have come up with a new concept. So that's why even engineering colleges, okay. So I went to Mangalore Canara Engineering College. There also I handled it Karnataka. In Cochin, Kerala, one engineering college for MCA graduates. Then after that, went to Coimbatore to handle the Bannari Aman Engineering College. Then after next, I have handled many batches in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, almost south states. These engineering colleges, they used to give SAP Learning Hub for students and all. I used to take sessions. So the engineering colleges also have two types of this thing. That is nothing but first targeted students. That means I taught directly to the students, and the second approach was targeted faculty members. That means MTech and PhD faculty members. Okay, yes, that means this is called as train the trainers. So as a trainer, I taught the subject to that MTech and PhD scholars. Then they go and teach intern to their college. Okay, this is another type of exposure. Okay, so this way I have lot of experience into the training verticals. Okay, yes, because all this my knowledge will reflect in my personal YouTube channel also. I want to give all of my knowledge to the participants, those who are really interested to learn and grow in SAP area. Definitely, I want to help them out. This is the my intention. Okay, I'll give much more details in the objective, right? So hope you guys understand almost the experience of training experience, because so then after that, over a period of time, I took U-turn in my career and shifted towards the consulting. So the in consulting, I have 9+ years experience. So started with small companies. Later on, I came to one big size company called as Seal Infotech, and later on I came to E and Y, Ernest and Young. Okay, now I am with Capgemini. Okay, yes, Capgemini. That means if you classify this is small companies and all, covers it as around 5 years ago. Then after E and Y, I have around 2 years, 2.5 years, 2.5 years. Now even in the this one Capgemini also, as on today, it comes with 2+ years experience. Okay, yes. So in this, like I worked for around 7 implementation projects. Okay, implementation projects give high priority here, and as well as some 11 support projects. Okay, and as well as one upgrade project also I worked it, upgrade projects. Okay, right. So now, like here I have both clients, domestic and again international clients also. I handled it here. So if you look at because experience point of view, if you look at America point of view, North America point of view, I used to work with Brother International. This was one of the client, okay, which is a, yes, that printers manufacturing company. And again there is a client called as Brown and Forman. Yes, this is raw material for manufacturing company, okay, for beer and all. Yes, there was a one more company called as Ingevity Inc, and as well as Amgen, Bayer, etc. Those companies are also handled it here. Okay, next, if you look at here, Africa region, yes, there was a client called as Golden Africa Kenya Limited. This was the client government project. Yes. Then if you look at the Dubai, okay, that means Gulf region. There is a client called as Al Ashwak Group. Okay, yes, this was almost Gulf-based oil and chemicals. This company, this also GST implementation happens. Yes, we have implemented in 2017, yes, 18 that time, right? Then this is international exposure. Coming to the domestic lines, that is so India point of view, because this is most important. So there is a client called as in UP, Lucknow, Ayodhya nearby. There is a client called as Yash Papers. Okay, this is one of the client. I worked for that as a PM module implementation, plant maintenance. Right. Next, I worked for Relaxo Footwear, that is called as RFL. This is again a footwear, famous footwear company in the North India. This I went to client place and to start out P0, P1 issues and all. That is the Relaxo footwear. Then after that I worked on ABFRL. That is nothing but Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail. This is a kind of IS retail company. Okay. Then again I worked for Archeon Chemicals, Chennai based. Yes, this is one thing. Next, after that, I worked for Paragon, that is the South famous footwear manufacturing company. This is again Paragon. Then there is a company called as Amar Raja Batteries. This is batteries manufacturing company. Then after that, there is a company called as MEIL, that electronic bus manufacturing company, and Arbindo Reality also I worked it. Okay, reality, real estate and all. So this way I work for several clients, and there is a client called as a Vibrant Power also. This is power generation company. Yes, like so this way lot of okay support implementations. Okay, many clients, maximum clients I have covered it here. So this gives the complete. So each covers the retail industry, pharma related, and different types of chemicals related, footwear division, batteries division, so different types of things almost. So these clients I worked it. So in this sessions I'm going to cover all my training experience and as well as my consulting experience as well completely. Okay, I'm going to cover everything here, right? So this is about brief of both classifications. Then after that, I will get into my knowledge and experience. Okay, because yes, knowledge and experience. Yes. So first of all, yes, I started my career with SAP ABAP only. This is my primary skill. Then after that, so as I mentioned above, I'm a certified also. So I taught certification batches, many batches. Okay, right. I have certification knowledge also. Then after that, after ABAP, I upgraded to like normally ABAP with core ABAP, OOPS ABAP, cross applications, all those stuff. Then again, ABAP HR also, HR ABAP we call it as. So I have knowledge on ABAP HR also. Yes, and again workflow. Okay, and again next WebDean Pro. Yes, WebDean Pro ABAP stack particularly. Yes, I worked it. Yes, I have knowledge and work experience in these areas. Then, like yes, I worked on to some extent some TM technical and as well as EWM technical. Yes, EWM technical also. This is another area. Next, I have knowledge on the OData part also. Now that I'm upgrading into completely ABAP on HANA, and right now I am with the cloud-based ABAP, that is nothing but BTP and RESTful applications. Okay, so this is not complete knowledge. I'm also still upgrading myself into this rap because yes, to be honest. Okay, so this is that means here my primary skill is SAP technical, that is technical area only, that too programming related whatever is there. I know I worked on some BSPs also prior to this WebDen Pro, and many iDocs related, web services related, so lot many, because here I may not type everything, just I am giving the brief of the areas. Okay, yes, even out of my interest I have learned SAP basis also, because to okay, yes, basis also I know, and even the functional knowledge also I have. Yes, functional modules like started with OTC, SD, MPTC, P2P, then production planning. Okay, yes, plant maintenance to some extent. Particularly, I have knowledge on customer service, CS, that is almost yes, and QM also, quality management, and finally yes, combination with WM and EWM I worked at. Yes, yes, particularly yes, barcode generation, all those stuff. Yes, WM also I have work experience. Yes, and yes, this is almost covers the entire logistic chain. Then I do have finance, controlling knowledge, FICO, yes, and as well as HR, HCM also I have worked. So almost I am more passionate to learn the subject, like whatever comes in. Still, one way I would say I have lot of knowledge, but other way we can say that I need to upgrade a lot, because it's a endless. Too many things are in queue. Okay, this journey is going on, to be honest. Okay, so mostly hope you guys are with me and getting me. Okay, following my this thing. So because this is not like just I want to give something, I am going to give the references also. Okay, yes, references in the sense you can. I have one more exposure. I got a different type of unique exposure. That is nothing but like by godly grace, I would say I got opportunity to yes, handled one like this one. What is that? One is a TV channel, and on one is Telugu TV channel. I went there. I handled one live show with respect to SAP point of view. So you can check it out. I'll give all these details into this careers development. It is a half an hour live show where I answered all the questions in HMTV Telugu channel. You can check it out. If you know Telugu, then only you will understand. Otherwise, leave it. No worries. The second, I got iNews. There is a Telugu news channel. There is a iNews. Here we have, yes,
ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ అంటాం అది ఎస్
this is one of the SAP careers for the topic name. You can check it out later at your free time. Then if you want to check it out, my all my corporate pictures and all, try with respect to training point of view, because each batch wise pictures and all, you can check it out in my FB link also providing here. Then here you can check it out completely, all the batches company wise. You go to this photos, you can completely check it out company wise, all okay, whatever I mentioned above. Here we have a proof here. Okay, many engineering colleges, completely client based, everything almost I took this thing batches. You can see over here all those I've conducted. Apart from this two TV shows and in one engineering colleges, I gave the orientation of SAP to directly students. Okay, so this is a kind of different exposure altogether. So you can check it out the media references also. Okay, that is kind of uh, right, different experience altogether, right? So because I cannot play it here, that takes time and all, it may be disturbance and deviation for you guys. You can check it out at your free time also, but at least you can refer, you go through it once, so that you will come to know what exactly it is before going to learn SAP and all. This was a open interactive session with it was an open interaction session with the audience. They asked many questions in the live show only. One show happened in iNews in 2010 and another to 2015. It was happened in HMTV. Okay, yes, that is another kind of like sessions. So altogether, hope you guys understand my 20 years journey. Okay, right? So with a lot of efforts and with a lot of hard work through, I achieved. Yes, now I am at senior consultant level, right? And coming to, yes, like yes, one more thing I want to mention it here, because actually these are all what is this general technical point of view, IT, SAP, technical stuff I covered it. But there are some, I would say, non-IT skills, or else kind of soft skills, we can say that. Okay, which are also important. I feel like which are, I realized the importance and I started. Yes, the first one. So actually, I learned okay, language, that is nothing but I only okay, English, because global language. This entire course I'm going to cover in English only, because no regional nothing. Okay, because SAP is a global software and I need to discuss and you have to interact with me also in the global language only. So I have put lot of efforts to to be a good communicator and a good speaker, okay, or good content creator also. Yes, this is what the levels, and developed the English expertise at basic grammar level, fluency level, accent level and all. So this journey also going on, so I can give some tips and tricks on the language development part, which is very 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 important. I undergone, I have spent lot of time, money, efforts to build this language skills, which is most important for IT industry. Okay, because I have developed and I got success. Same thing I am communicating with you guys also. this is going to helpful to you, okay, which is mandatory skills. The second one is because communication is different from the language, so you have to have good hold on the language. Then with that you can be a good communicator also. Then the second area which I realized to sustain in the in the IT industry, I understood the importance of soft skills. I have undergone training officially on the soft skills or management skills. There they taught me the goal setting, the time management, memory management, money management, skills management, many things. This course changed my entire attitude. Almost it has given me the a new dimension to me. That's why, because it's a kind of keeping the motivation continuously. Okay, so that also helped me a lot. So, in fact, whatever the soft skills knowledge I have gained and incorporated, implemented in my career, I can share a few of them in the upcoming as and when required and all. I'll talk on that briefly. Right. The third area which I feel important is yoga. I have learned the Patanjali yoga for to maintain fitness and health point of view. This also helped. I am actually a certified yoga trainer as well. This is also helped me a lot. Yes, because to for the relaxation, recreation purpose and all. Yes, this is a additional. So you can follow anything, but one of the way is this is our proven Indian style. Okay, for fitness purpose. This is also important, physical fitness. And the last but not least, which is very important, is meditation. I do follow the Brahma Kumaris meditation. I do practice meditation also for mentally fitness and as well as balancing the things and good decisions, right decisions and all. So this is the last one. So all these things seems like a non-technical skills, non-IT skills, but which are helped me to become a good trainer at a training level, at consulting level, everywhere. So because people only we generally talk on these areas, but hidden lot these are also required for not only me, for every IT personnel, because we have to balance the both work life balance and all. Okay, this is about our general brief of my complete profile, technical training, consulting, all those stuff and all. Then conclusion for the day or the session is what exactly the intention of this course, because as I mentioned, okay, yes, at the initial statement, so I have planned 400 hours 400 hours SAP ABAP content, which covers, okay, the entire complete corporate training course and as well as certification related stuff and all. I'm going to cover in this, because that is a in and out. I'm going to cover this, covers not only theory, hands-on practical sessions also. And I told you, if you want to interact with me, the interactive session is different. That is exclusive of, that is a separate altogether. But my own content is 400 hours right from the beginning in the sense, from the day one to, yes, suppose every day if I keep on posting 2 hours, two separate videos, so almost you have to spend minimum 6 months. If in your career, if you give me 6 months time, your valuable time with commitment and with dedication, sorry, you will get, because I am sharing my in and out knowledge, okay, and I will guide you, I will motivate you, I will help you out to set, to position as a SAP career, SAP consulting job also, because I'm already having full experience and exposure as a motivator, as a trainer, and as well as I have helped up so many graduates. Okay, yes, that's why I have confidence on me. And if you are also looking for a IT career, you may be a graduate. Okay, you can, because the next thing is, because I'm going to, yes, generally who are eligible to attend this sessions, okay, to attend this particular SAP sessions, who are eligible to learn these sessions and all, or else technically speaking, it is a targeted audience, we will say that. Okay, actually, yes, if you are a graduate or project postgraduate from any discipline, from any university, college and all, from any corner of the world, if you are looking for a IT career, SAP career, software career, particularly SAP technical career, ABAP career, this is the right place to learn, right guidance. I can give it to you, because it's not only one way I have some knowledge, I want to just one way sharing. No, this is uh, because obviously I will share complete knowledge. That's why the title also, you can see that, complete ABAP sessions. Okay, sharing complete knowledge. That means whatever the knowledge I have till now, I am going to present here. Okay, yes. So if you want to learn, if you are serious about IT career and particularly SAP career, yes, definitely this is the right place to learn the things, and I can guide you, I can help you, I can support you also. Yes, right. Definitely, it is. It's not only because I have started now 2025, yes, October month, but this will continue. My journey will continue. I want to continue because I want to keep my knowledge sharing sessions also active, because one way I'm working, so I'll work and I'll give knowledge also. And one more important thing I want to share here is, yes, all sessions are, yes, all sessions are absolutely free. Okay, no hidden charges, no need to type and all. Yes, no cost at all. Just because I am, I was so passionate towards SAP. That's the reason I got success in my career. Same thing, I want to, I want you to be a successful consultant in the SAP. So definitely, because I got benefited from SAP, same way I am expecting you to be, okay, to be a successful person in the SAP. Okay, definitely, because I can guide my success journey. I know each and every area, obstacles, hurdles, everything how I crossed. The same way, you can also just follow my inputs, instructions for 6 months time. Just it is in engineering point of, it is a kind of one semester time. Yes. So yes, yeah, but I am expecting lot of commitment and dedication and passion from everyone, and as well as commitment also, because uh, at my free time definitely I'll do this sessions, and I'll keep on posting into my channel. So what you need to do is, first initially you subscribe it, so that you will get all my uh, content into your this thing, so that you can watch sequentially all the this thing. You can make a note of all the content, and as well as if you have questions, you make a list of separate session, separate thing you have to, and the next day you come to my session and ask questions, unmute, and I'll give time to you. You can ask questions and clarify your doubts. That's what I want to tell you, because it's I will be, see, generally uh, I feel like the trainer plays very important role in the student's career. That's what the corporate says. If the student is not able to understand the subject or syllabus, that is, of course, that is a student's mistake. Generally, that is a general statement. But the mostly the faculty, if the faculty plays an important role here, the faculty, the trainer, the mentor, the guide, if they teach, they taught, they give the inputs in such a way, to in a simplified way, so that anyone from any discipline, you may be from engineering of any discipline, any background, but still only you have minimum importance and interest and passion, definitely you can follow here, because I will guide you how do we this thing. See, finally, that's what I want to tell you, because I cannot type everything here. Just okay. And what is my teaching style also, because you have to know. In fact, I want to tell one thing honestly. This type of software courses, technical courses, the best way to learn is classroom training. Classroom in the sense, you have to see the faculty, his gestures and postures and all, the way he or she, madam, explains. You have to catch everything. That's the best way. But if that provision is not possible, sometimes because of the too many this thing, even I cannot conduct that type of session because I'm also occupied with my job and all. So this is the other way. That's why the online sessions, advantage versus disadvantage. Online, you can be at your place, at you can watch at any time. These are all flexible way. And moreover, like you but as a trainer, I need to put a little more effort to make you to understand, because that's what I feel like that. So I will use this notepad, completely notepad. My style is, why I type everything in notepad, because you had is a kind of dictation, you can make a note of it in your notebook also. I will draw some pictures also. I don't use the ready-made picture and show, and no, I'll draw in front of you so that you can draw in your notebook, so that you will understand this is the flow, this is the architecture, this is the way program works and all, completely. And I'll type the code in front of you. I don't use the ready-made program, copy and paste and run the show output. No, I'll type in front of you. I'll explain to you why this line to be written, what is the intention here. Everything I'll explain one by one, step by step, completely. So you, so that you will understand step by step. And if you follow my this thing completely, definitely, if you type the same program again, type and type, retype it again in your this thing, definitely you will get a confidence. And moreover, I'll explain the code and I'll show the output. I will take you through debug mode step by step, why these values are coming, what are the alternatives also. Right. Then again, this course, whatever I planned it, this is not only the intention of only syllabus or subject. We will by end of this one, we'll go up to S4 HANA ABAP level also, SAP S4 HANA level. Even I can share up to the BTP RAP knowledge. That means I am open, I can share, I'm ready to share all of my knowledge, whatever I have till time, because only time matters. Okay, yes, from 1972 to till date we will, because SAP is around 50 plus years of old company, you are going to learn these sessions. Okay, so that's what I will use. The PPTs also I'll use sometimes, the SAP official site also I'll take you through, because I will teach two things finally. That is, see, with this knowledge, definitely you can attend any interview and clear the interview and get into industry and you can start working. If tomorrow while working you will face a issue, suppose, where to search, how to search, how to resolve the issues, that is practical. Tomorrow, the object wise, the task wise, if you stuck at place, where will you search, how do you get the guidance from SAP, or how do you search for SAP notes, or else how do you look at into that type of guidelines. Because I'm working a lot, because I think, because the introduction of the trainer itself is taking 1 hour time. You have to observe this with proven. because I'm just if you go through my all media link and all, you will come to know my way of presentation and all. Okay, so that's why okay, because this is, we call it as a corporate style of handling the sessions. Because I will call it a session. This is not a class. Session is a kind of high level. You are not a student. I will consider you as a participant. So participant for this particular this thing. This is the medium. Uh, I am reaching you through YouTube, but this is a kind of SAP online sessions. But these sessions, here I am recording the sessions without zero interruption. That means here while recording, no audience, no participants. Okay, because it's a kind of one-way delivery, so that the content, maximum content, I am trying to deliver to you in a sequential manner, systematic manner. Okay, and whatever the way I have planned it, I am going to deliver it. And moreover, in the meanwhile, topic wise, I'll also give some hands-on sessions, practical sessions, exercises, assignments also. We will see how best can I help you out. Okay, so and finally, yeah, who are eligible, because I am coming to this point again back. See, suppose you are a graduate, you can attend the session, or else you are a developer already working in non-SAP, non-ABAP, Java, .NET and all. You want to switch career to SAP also, most welcome. You, okay, you can be a ABAP consultant. Best expert guidelines. I can say that if you give me your 6 months time, I can make you as an expert ABAP consultant. But you have to follow my inputs exactly, because I have a proven strategy, proven methodology. This is proven. Okay, completely proven. So similar steps you have to follow as it is. Second, you are already searching for ABAP job also, you can attend, or you are already working as a ABAP developer or ABAP consultant also, you can attend. No issues, no worries, because you already have knowledge and working, but you want to brush up your skills, you want to revise the course once again. If you are occupied is okay. If you want at your free time, you want to revise the course, you can also go through this. Any questions we will discuss as a later level from your point of view also. Or else, if you are already working in SAP as a functional consultant, also you can go through it. You can go through these sessions. These sessions are helpful to you at one level. You maybe from basis, from ABAP knowledge you want, you can come and learn, or functional also, anybody within SAP working people. So what I said, uh, graduates, freshers or experienced people, and developers from non-SAP and within SAP consultants also, and as well as the last but not least, suppose you may be a faculty, or else you may be a lecturer, or you may be a trainer or mentor in engineering college or university, or any autonomous colleges and all, or any kind of institutes and all. If you want to learn ABAP in depth and you want to become a best trainer, you want to become a global proven trainer also, this course will be helpful to you, because I have a proven knowledge. I will cover the syllabus subject in such a way that you will get lot of ideas how to present the subject towards audience, towards students and participants. So it is a kind of friendly knowledge sharing. Okay, you can be my best friend, and you can also attend this sessions. It's because it's a open sessions to all. Okay, so this is what. And again, finally, because as I said, I just want to I have one more goal. That means I want to become a global best trainer. That's my course, my objective. That's why I have chosen YouTube as a platform, so that I want to reach to the my sessions to be reached to the entire all countries, anybody. Okay, from India and other side of this one, and that is one thing. And the second thing is, like complete in and out syllabus subject I'm going to cover here, which are helpful to all. Okay, so that's what I'm thinking. And yes, one more important thing I want to cover at the end. That is, yes, because I feel like as a SAP certified consultant, I feel like as a developer, consultant, trainer, also all the roles, it's my responsibility to give or to share my knowledge to the next generation. Okay, because I cannot keep all the stuff with me only. So in the SAP industry also, I want to bring best consultants, IT industry and particularly SAP industry also. This is what I feel like it's my responsibility. That's also the second my intention to start this YouTube channel also. Okay, so hope you guys understand me and my intention, almost all the stuff, and anything is left over remaining we will discuss in the upcoming sessions also. So that's all for this particular session, whatever I have planned it. Okay, thanks for listening, attending my sessions. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you. Bye.